This is one recipe you will love. It's stress-free, delicious and kids-friendly. So keep watching and let's do this. Hello lovelies, let's get started. First you want to marinate your nicely washed chicken, which I've already done. Next I'll go in with salt and my mixed spices that contains garlic powder, onion powder, curry powder, parsley, white pepper and seasoning powder. I'm going to add vegetable oil to enable the spices to distribute evenly. Once that is done, I will cover and set aside. I will go ahead to peel and cut my potatoes. I will be adding vegetables. I've got some carrots and courgettes. You can also add any vegetable of your choice. Once I'm done peeling, I will rinse again and set them up in my baking tray. I will transfer in my preheated oven and bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Minutes later, it's ready. I'm going to serve and enjoy. Very easy. I hope you give it a try. Enjoy the rest of the video and see you in my next one.